right now with my housemate. She's actually doing more work than I am. I decided to bring some of my plants in. We have, what do we have, beets over here?
We got
Beets, blueberries, figs, and carrots. This is my grow lamp. I think I pulled them in too late, but what do you think? Carrots still look good, right?
They're growing. There's
They're
one
growing,
here.
yeah.
So there you got
I
one
think carrots
here.
do grow inside.
That's two. This
Yeah.
is growing here.
Yeah.
So 3, 4.
Oh my gosh.
They're growing.
They're growing. I have some outside. This is my fig tree. I definitely took this in too late. I was supposed to take it in last week, but all of these fell off. I think it's still alive, right?
Yeah, there's a fig there.
And this is 2 blueberries. And that's the beets. What I plan on doing, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees. I'm gonna put 2 over there, 2 over there. So I'm gonna at least double, maybe triple my production. And we're taking one step at a time because I still have no idea what I'm doing. Do you have any idea what you're doing?
I do not. Not at all.
This seem like fun to you?
But, this is fun.
Actually, you eat my garden almost
I do.
daily.
I do.
Do you?
I make my smoothies with the kale in the garden.
Did you make kale?
Yeah. I make
And
it
during
with
summer,
kale.
you use the tomatoes, right?
I use the tomatoes,
Lettuce?
which were my favorite.
Right. And
I
lettuce?
use the lettuce once.
What
but
about cucumbers?
I used the bitter lettuce.
Cucumbers, right?
I used the cucumbers, yeah.
Did you eat the potatoes?
Never got the potatoes.
Okay.
I never got the potatoes.
So what do you think about me growing an inside garden?
No, it's cool. It's cool. It's interesting, to know that you can do all this inside.
Yeah, so you just started your own little plants, right?
Yeah, they're
You never had plants until you moved in with me, right?
Yeah, true. I never had a plant.
You never had a
Never
plant
had a
until you moved in with me.
And now I'm making more space for more.
And now
plants.
you're making more space.
Making more space.
It's like your friends, right?
Yeah, it's nice to wake up and see your plants and
Yeah.
see that they're growing.
Yeah.
Green is,
Yeah.
green in the room
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
nature.
Yeah.
So I got easy plants first.
Right,
So
yeah.
I got like the buckwheat. And
Buckwheat is easy.
Yeah, it's easy. You just
Buckwheat did
water
really
it.
well, right?
It's doing well.
It did well. In fact, outside did well, but it died. Well, I don't know if it's a perennial or not.
Yeah, but mine is still going. I
Yeah.
don't know. I just water it every so often.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's still going.
Still going.
And I got my lucky bamboo.
Lucky bamboo.
That's growing.
You got a snake plant too, right?
I got a snake.
You have a snake plant?
Not yet.
Oh,
I want to
damn.
get one.
Damn.
I do want to get one now.
Didn't want to get one.
Because I made space.
I heard if you ask the plant fairy, may get you one.
But
Oh, I guess I'm the plant
I
fairy.
wanna fill my shelf with plants, and
Yeah.
I definitely want to get like a vining plant that goes
Yeah.
down and maybe hang something on the wall.
Oh, did you? Oh, wow.
I'm not the wall, on the ceiling.
You know, it makes you feel good, doesn't
It
it?
does.
It does.
It does. So
And eating fruits and vegetables make you feel good too, doesn't it? It does.
Absolutely.
You don't need people, right? You
Wouldn't go that far, but
don't get that far.
definitely helps to eat your fruits and your
Oh,
vegetables.
so you're pulling that out, right?
I'm pulling out the weeds. I
that
read
weed-
somewhere that when you leave the weeds, I could be wrong. I just pull
Yeah.
bits of information from
Yeah.
places, but I heard.
Is that beets, right?
I think so.
Any beets in there?
No, not yet.
Yeah.
I think this might be the buckwheat, but I'm not
No,
sure.
it's not buckwheat.
It's not buckwheat.
It's beets.
Okay. Well,
Because
I'm
beets
not,
and Swiss chard look alike.
yeah, I'm
Yeah.
not seeing anything.
Actually, a
yet.
fig tree was in between, but I think that, it may come back. Who
It
knows?
might. It might.
It might.
But I'm just pulling the weeds because I heard that when you leave like dead and dying leaves in there, that it makes the plant use more energy than
Yeah,
it should,
yeah.
and that means the
I
healthy.
mean, you could use
plants
that
can
for your
grow.
salad too, right?
You could.
You could.
Yeah, you could. So
And you use the carrots.
definitely.
So
I
you-
love carrots. So
So you got my room
this
in
is Jackpot City here.
What?
This is Jackpot City.
It's Jackpot City here.
Jackpot City.
It is Jackpot City.
can
You have
just
the
make a
carrots
meal
over there.
You can make a meal from everything here. So.
Damn. So what I'm gonna do is try to get some more greens and strawberries. I'm gonna look for a grow area. You can help me do that? I'm looking for a big long grow area over there.
Long grow area.
With at least 30, 40 plants per section.
That'd be awesome.
Okay.
That'd be awesome.
Anyway, this is live from my bedroom with Mira. We just put everything inside. Okay, bye.